अर्ज फाटली 24 वर्सां गोंयांत चलपी ह्युमन ट्रॅफिकिंगा आड वावर करता. शिंदळकी वेवसायांत आशिल्ल्या चलयांक भायर काडपाचे आसले जाल्यार तांच्या उदरनिर्वाहा खातीर सोय करची पडटली. संचालक अरुण पांडे उलयलो. वास्कोत जशें आमी टिश्यू पेपर, टॉयलेट पेपर करपाचें युनीट घातलां तशेंच थिये सुद्दां घातलां म्हूण पांडे सांगता.
See, this is not something new. We have found that many of these girls, they come from low socio-economic background, and a lot of these girls are being trafficked from different red light areas of different parts of India. Yes, these girls are from poor background and they are engaged in commercial sexual activity, but we do see that there appears to be an organized network of pimps, who are engaged in their soliciting, and in an organized manner they are soliciting clients, and these clients are being taken to close by hotels and lodges. This we have been seeing for long, and as I said that we have been in discussion with police, district administration. In fact, we have gone and met the local MLA also to discuss this issue, and we had proposed for setting up a wish unit, a rehabilitation unit, so that these girls who are being exploited at bus stand and market, they can be provided livelihood. We have been working in Goa since last 25 years on the issue of sex trafficking, and we have believed that providing livelihood would enable these girls from exiting from commercial sexual exploitation. Now we are in Vasco, we are making tissue paper, toilet roll and paper bags. Same unit we have extended now to Tivim Industrial Estate for these girls who are presently being exploited at commercial sexual activity at Mapusa bus stand. But we believe that these girls will not be able to join till and until actions are taken against those who in organized manner are exploiting them.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक आनी ओमकार फळारी.